मास्क उतारो जी में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मेरे साथ है पल्लवी घोष और वो हम बात तो एक ही करेंगे कांग्रेस की, बिकॉज सारे इनसाइड न्यूज तो जो पल्लवी दे सकती है कोई नहीं दे सकता। और शी इज वन पर्सन हु
And
गेट्स
I
ट्रोल्ड
think
बाय
one of
बीजेपी
your
आल्सो।
first, I think one of your first episodes of Mask Utaroji was with me. So you began
या
kind of with me with that
या आई डू।
wonderful lunch you treated us to. Yeah.
अब तुमको कांग्रेस डांटेगी कि तुम फिर लंच खाती हो
Okay.
पायल के साथ। हाँ, मैं कहा कांग्रेस इज गोइंग टू गेट
हाँ,
बग्ड
आपका
विद यू
नमक
कि तुम
खाती
लंच
हूँ।
खाती हो पायल के साथ। हाँ, सो पल्लवी आई
आप
थिंक देयर
लोगों का
समथिंग
नमक
रॉन्ग।
खाती हूँ मैं। हाँ, वही।
हाँ, मेरा नमक है। अच्छा पल्लवी, like I said कि you get trolled by BJP also and Congress also, so that this proves that you're an unbiased journalist. This proves
Hope
कि
so. Hope
हाँ।
so.
अच्छा
Not so much the
अ,
BJP now, because I think they've stopped this thing of trolling. But yeah, Congress also. Yeah, Congress trolls a lot now. And I wouldn't even say Congress. ये जो Congress का कुछ social media उनका troll army है, and Congress supporters हैं जो अपने आप को liberal Indian बुलाते हैं, they do it a lot, and sometimes they don't even know what is happening. Most of them,
yeah.
Payal, have not even entered the AICC headquarters. लेकिन उनको सब पता है.
कांग्रेस के सपोर्टर्स तो सोचते हैं उनको सब पता है, उनको तो
Yeah,
लगता है
but
उनको
my
सब
point is
पता है।
that my point is you please criticize me on facts, and please come to the Congress headquarters. Please go when Congress is contesting elections, where they're going wrong or where they've gone wrong. You have to see it on the ground. Don't just attack and rubbish someone because you're supposed to rubbish someone. My point is that. मैंने हरियाणा में भी
ट्रू,
देखा पायल, मैंने महाराष्ट्र में भी देखा.
ये होता है। अच्छा पल्लवी, now we'll start with कांग्रेस का। I तो don't call it Indian National Congress now. It's South Indian National Congress it's become. See, वायनाड से जीत के आए दोनों भाई बहन, पूरा टाइम वायनाड में लगे हुए थे। उनका जो इंडियन उनका जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी है वो भी साउथ के हैं। अब खड़गे जी भी साउथ के हैं। सभी कुछ साउथ साउथ का है। व्हाट आर दे प्लानिंग? आर दे गोइंग टू डू दिस नॉर्थ साउथ डिवाइड, और they've realized that they can't win seats in the north, so they're going towards the south? What is it?
But see, Payal, traditionally speaking, I mean, barring that phase when they were in UP and all, the Congress has, whenever tried to bounce back, the South has always bailed them out. Whether it was
Okay.
Chikmagalur for Indira Gandhi, Bellary for Sonia Gandhi, and now the innings of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Wayanad. Even for Rahul Gandhi, when he got this sense that I'm going to lose from Amethi, it was a southern constituency which has bailed them up. So that sense of
Yeah.
gratitude, if I can use that word, is there for the South. But you're absolutely right. You know, you cannot control politics at the center if you are not having a footprint in North. You just look at the
North,
state
yeah.
after state. यूपी देखो आप, मध्य प्रदेश देखो आप, like other states. I mean, just look at Uttarakhand and all of them. The Congress is completely, it's not there. But what is even worse and worrying is that they don't even seem to have the energy or the capital to bounce back. They say this about the Congress, that once they lose a state, they usually don't come back because they don't work on their organization. They don't work hard,
Mhm.
or they just give up. अब यूपी में कांग्रेस was a force to reckon with. ना ये बीएसपी एसपी तो बाद में आए. But look at where the Congress is now. And forget that. Let's look at Delhi itself. I still
Mm.
maintain the best chief minister was Sheila Dikshit. She gave you
Yeah,
15
even
years. ये जो हम flyover, flyover हम जाते हैं,
absolutely,
it's all
absolutely,
hers.
yeah.
आज are you talking about the Congress? No, na. You're talking about बीजेपी जीतेगा कि आप जीतेगा. I
Mhm.
don't even know whether the Congress leaders want to contest elections because they're scared, because hard jayenge. And Congress had one of the best leaders from Delhi. I mean, not just Sheila Dikshit, there was Ajay Makan, Arvinder Singh Lavli, Sandeep Dikshit. And ये सब
Yeah.
ग्रासरूट नेता थे. आप कुछ भी बोल दो, मैं तो देखी हूँ ना इनको
हाँ, हाँ,
करीब
हाँ,
से.
देखो, हाँ।
ये ग्रासरूट नेता है. But आज कोई नहीं है यहाँ. Where does Ajay Makan talk about Delhi politics? Do you see Sandeep Dikshit here? I saw him more in Madhya Pradesh than in Delhi. Now, these are worrying signs. I mean, if you can't even think of having an organization in Delhi, UP, Madhya Pradesh, then you should not feel bad if someone is calling you a South Indian party. तब तो सच्चाई हुआ
Is
ना.
sorry to interrupt, but is Lovely with BJP now or Congress? उनका समझ
Now
नहीं
he's in
आता है कहाँ
BJP.
पे.
नहीं, now he's with the BJP.
वो समझ नहीं आता है. अच्छा पल्लवी, एक और चीज है, जैसे प्रियंका गांधी 20-30 years के बाद she's gotten active in politics. अब एक इनकी टीम दो में डिवाइडेड है, एक प्रो प्रियंका गांधी टीम है इनकी और एक प्रो राहुल गांधी टीम है. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि इनमें लड़ाई होगी और ये लोग आपस में यही करते रहेंगे कि हु इज द बेटर लीडर टू हेड कांग्रेस एंड लीड कांग्रेस, और इन लोग की तो आपस में लड़ाई होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, बिकॉज ईगो हैसल्स आ जाएंगे दोनों भाई
But
बहन में.
I don't think RG and PG are going to fight as such, but yes, the team will fight and they are already very competitive. See, I saw that happening between when Rahul Gandhi came into it, active politics, between Sonia and Rahul Gandhi Congress tha. Those who were considered to be close to Rahul Gandhi or his team wanted to have a bigger say. But जो Sonia Gandhi के लोग थे, they said ये क्यों है? तभी तो G23 बना. So that competition begins first among the groups, because their sustenance and survival comes from the neta. So the same is now happening with RG and PG. जो प्रियंका गांधी का group है, their sustenance and power will come if she completely overshadows RG.
Yeah.
And similarly vice versa. But for now, I don't see much tutu meme happening between the brother and sister. I think it's very smartly worked out. Sonia Gandhi has opted out. She's quickly shifted base to Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, he's the LOP, na? तो वो leadership battle तो आपने sort ही कर लिया पहले. The LOP he is, technically he is her boss. I was told that this was all planned months in advance. It was not like it was happening overnight कि Priyanka Vadra will contest from Wayanad. The plan was put in place that when Priyanka makes that entry into active politics and becomes an MP, her brother should be the leader. He should be the boss. So as a leader of the opposition or the LOP, he is her boss inside the parliament. So that leadership and authority line has been made clear. अब देखो, interesting will be when she speaks for the first time. Now she's only talking about Wayanad. But धीरे धीरे महिला है ना, she'll start speaking more and she's very articulate, she's very, very, very
You
articulate.
think so? I was going to, my next question was this only, that you think she's very articulate, but she's, I don't know. I'm like, I was just thinking that ये तो एक तरफ बहन एक तरफ भाई कुछ और mess हो जाएगा और.
No, but see
Sometimes
Payal,
वो
to
भी
be
कभी
very
कभी बहुत
fair.
stupid बातें कर देती है, हाँ?
Yes, but कौन नेता नहीं करता? आप मुझे बता दो पायल. Everyone does a faux pas, everyone goofs up, and the degree matters, and how much you recover also matters, and how much the public memory is captured on your faux pas matters. Rahul Gandhi ke mistakes are remembered by people because some of them are just a bit too much. Priyanka has also made mistakes, but so have other netas in the BJP. सब जगह कुछ slip of the tongue हो जाता है, public speaking में कुछ बोल देते हैं. But when I say she is a better speaker, I'm also comparing her completely with her brother. And if you look within the family in comparison to Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, come on, Priyanka, she's very good in English, Hindi, in comparison. अच्छा बोलती है, वो पढ़ के नहीं बोलती है, ये बात तो आप मानते हो. मैं देखती हूँ, and I know this because I've seen her up front. Extempo, and her people to people connect. She understands the media. No, कहाँ मुस्कुराना है, कहाँ pause करना है. She may disagree with me, but she'll not be rude. That's the thing.
अच्छा प्रियंका, वो I'm saying sorry, पल्लवी, प्रियंका बोलते हुए पल्लवी,
वाह क्या
मलिक
पायल मुझे.
देखो तुम्हें प्रियंका बना दी, प्रियंका घोष, प्रियंका टोकस घोष. अच्छा पल्लवी, अब जैसे मलिका खरगे, ही इज गोइंग टू बी 85 86 years old now. अब आप मुझे बताओ ये कब तक चलेंगे कि वो प्रेसिडेंट, यू थिंक ही विल बी एबल टू हैंडल अनदर इलेक्शन, लाइक चाहे यूपी का ही आ जाए कल, ही विल बी एबल टू हैंडल सच अ बिग स्टेट कि ये लोग प्रेसिडेंट चेंज करेंगे?
No, so there are going to be elections now, so I think he has another term for another 1.5 to 2 years. So तब तक तो he's there ना. See, he suits it all, right? I mean, करना क्या होता है president को? Strategy meeting में बैठना है, strategy chalk out करना है. Let's not even have any doubts
President
about
also
it.
travels a lot, Pallavi, travels a lot.
But you know something, Payal, in Maharashtra, he traveled more than RG did. He does more rallies than Rahul Gandhi does. He makes it a point to go to parliament each and every day. That way he's
Yeah.
more active. आप कुछ भी बोलो, he's more active. He doesn't go on his holidays and all of that. He doesn't do that. And but everything is about the Gandhis, na? The strategy, सब वही बनाएंगे elections में. He'll become the Congress president, इसके presidentship में. But हम आज जब trash करते Congress party का performance, we put up a picture of RG, ना? We don't put up a picture of Kharge, right?
खरगे, हाँ। अच्छा,
तो
ये लोग
खड़गे बच गए
संभल गए।
बेचारे।
हाँ, ये संभल गए। तो मैंने नहीं देखा कि इनके साथ कोई 2-3 हजार इनके कार्यकर्ता गए हों, और कोई बैकिंग नहीं थी इनके पास वहां जाने की। एंड देन पीपल आल्सो गॉट बग्ड बिकॉज पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम हो गया, और वो ना पूरा सारा कुछ मेस हो गया। तो क्या इनके पास अब कार्यकर्ता नहीं रहे हैं, कि वो कार्यकर्ता में वो जील नहीं रही है, और दे डिडंट अग्री विद हिज ट्रिप, देयर ट्रिप टू संभल? What happened?
Well, I think it's both. They obviously, if you're being out of power from Uttar Pradesh for so many years, you start losing out on your karyakarta. The karyakarta start shifting towards other parties like the SP and the BSP. Many may not want to shift to the BJP because they may have some ideological hiccups and all. But unko
Differences,
SP,
हाँ।
BSP में कोई problem नहीं फर्क पड़ता, so they've joined. So your ground level karyakartas are not there. And second thing is, I think, and I was told that Rahul Gandhi's visit to Sambhal that day was hurriedly planned. And the reason behind it is that Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party, was very upset about the fact that why are you not raising the Sambhal issue as aggressively as you're raising issues of crony capitalism and so on and so forth. Because ये issue हमारे लिए important है, and Rahul के लिए भी होना चाहिए, because after all, he's now a member of parliament from UP. So I think he decided to placate them and go there. But I think the tactical mistake he did is he should have actually gone along and or at least told Akhilesh Yadav कि मैं जा रहा हूँ, आप भी साथ चलो, या मैं आपके साथ जाता हूँ. That would have been a massive show of strength. Can you imagine an Akhilesh Yadav and a Rahul Gandhi going together? The optics of it. But इनको अकेले जाना है. इनको दिखाना
नहीं, आई थिंक
था
इनको
कि
प्लेन
हम
से जाना, हेलीकॉप्टर या प्लेन से जाना चाहिए था। पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम होके
अब
पीपल वर
संभल कौन
अब्यूजिंग
जाता है
देम, दे वर
प्लेन से यार.
नहीं, कहीं कहीं तो फ्लाइट लैंड करती होगी यूपी में, कहीं और एयरपोर्ट्स नहीं है
Then
संभल के
everyone would
पास।
have criticized them for being entitled. But वैसे जाना ही क्यों था अभी, when there was a stricture coming in from state administration, they wanted to go because they wanted a disruption to take place, and they also wanted to be stopped. Because politicians, when they go to jail, when they are stopped, it actually becomes a big plus point for
या
them. And again,
प्लस
I'm talking about across party lines.
नहीं, बट पल्लवी, आपने एक और चीज देखी है कि इवन इफ राहुल एंड प्रियंका दे मेड दिस एफर्ट ऑफ गोइंग टू संभल, but when I was talking to people, or we were discussing on in the spaces, or हम फोन पे बात कर रहे थे, तो सब कह रहे थे कि अरे ये तो इसका ऐसी टाइम पास है, इसका ये टूरिज्म टाइप का है इसका। पीपल डोंट टेक हिम सीरियसली, लाइक कि वो बोल रहे थे कि ये क्या कर रहा है। अगर ये केजरीवाल जाता ना, तो भी लोग सोचते कि गए, बिकॉज कहीं और पे अगर हिंदूज जहां मरते हैं, ये दोनों बहन भाई वहां जाते नहीं है। सो ये इस चीज के लिए भी पॉइंट था कि दे वर बीइंग क्रिटिसाइज्ड, एंड दे वर सेइंग कन्वीनियंस के उससे जाते हैं।
See, Ram Gopal Yadav was very correct, the Samajwadi Party leader, when he was asked that, RG is gone. He said, देखो संभल तो उठाया नहीं ना parliament के अंदर, and चले गए वहां पे, which is why I'm not able to understand that they did those protests at the Makar Dwar or the steps of parliament. They never did it on Sambhal. Like Rahul Gandhi would do it on Bhatta Parsol, and she did it on Unnao and Hathras. Why did they not do such an aggressive protest on Sambhal, which baffles me, which means people did understand that this was an afterthought. Are Sambhal bhi kar lete hain, and let's then take it on. So, when you protest, you have to walk the entire leg, and you also have to follow it up. Rahul Gandhi was stopped, right? Now you take this example. Rahul Gandhi was stopped from going to Sambhal, correct? Next day, the Congress party gave multiple adjournment notices inside parliament, not on Sambhal, on Rahul Gandhi being stopped from going to Sambhal. So RG became more important than Sambhal, na Payan? My issue is that. Why is the issue bad that Rahul Gandhi is being stopped? There were 2 adjournment notices given on this. Rahul Gandhi has been stopped, so what? Let's talk about the people of Sambhal, who you are saying has been targeted and attacked. You did not give a single notice on Sambhal situation. You give a notice on Sambhal, but wo bhi that Rahul Gandhi ko rok diya gaya. This is taking away his constitutional rights. Again, that sense of entitlement comes across. ये मुझे बहुत बैफलिंग लगता है।
नहीं, और आपको लगता है कि प्रियंका गांधी एक सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन बन पाएगी? ऑनेस्टली बताना। एंड आपको लगता है वो लोगों का ट्रस्ट जीत पाएगी? लोगों को उनके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस, बिकॉज ये टी शर्ट के ऊपर अडानी एंड ऑल सबकी ये टी शर्ट पहनना एंड वहां पे पार्लियामेंट के बाहर ताली बजा के डांस करना, यू थिंक पीपल हैव टाइम फॉर ऑल दिस एंड शी विल बी एबल टू इम्प्रेस पीपल एंड लोग उसको ट्रस्ट करने लग जाएंगे? She'll be able to
So
do that? What her,
I'm going to answer this by drawing a comparison between, say, Atishay Marlena ka position and a Priyanka Gandhi position. Atishay Marlena के बारे में no one takes her seriously as being the chief minister of Delhi. जैसे उनको ये label दिया गया है, but she's just filling up the space for Arvind Kejriwal, and she doesn't have any power. So she will only have to do what Kejriwal tells her to do. About Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, again, in my mind, in comparison to RG, she's definitely a better communicator, and she's very savvy on the ground. She's always been seen, and she's allowed herself to be seen as someone who's a stopgap for Rahul Gandhi. And therefore, she can never and will not be taken seriously. In politics or in any field, but let's talk about politics, you have to come out on your own. People को लगना चाहिए यार इसमें दम है. People को ये नहीं लगना चाहिए यार ये तो उसकी जगह भर रही है, ये या उसको बढ़ने नहीं दिया जाएगा. Whenever I
तो
talk to
आपको
people,
क्या
it is
लगता
very.
है? आपको क्या
I
लगता है
think
वो
she's.
उसकी वो जगह
I
भर
think
रही है कि she'll be able to make a mark for herself? Like,
no. I mean, I think every time she says things like my brother is my boss and it's always about my brother, she is demeaning her position also. I mean, after all, she's also now a member of parliament. She's also a Gandhi. She's giving. I don't know if she wants to, but she's given that space to Rahul Gandhi. So therefore, she'll never be seen as a politician in her own right. I think it's
I
easier for the other Congress MPs to assert themselves because they are not Gandhi and they don't have a family connection, and therefore they don't have to say. They say these things. Rahul हमारा boss है, but अपना भी दम है उनका. I mean, again, let me give you another example. She went to Wayanad after becoming the MP, but Rahul Gandhi went along with her. And I saw there was one stage when she was giving a speech. पीछे में एक बड़ा सा hoarding and poster था Rahul Gandhi का. So what is the optics in the mind of the voters and the people who were sitting there? That Rahul Gandhi is the main one. She is on his behalf because he left the seat. Now, what does it do for her as an MP? If I would have been an advisor, I would have told her, you've taken oath as a member of parliament from Wayanad. Bas ho gaya. Now you go alone. And you know something, Paresh? This time round, she won with a larger margin of votes despite a lower voter turnout than Rahul Gandhi. She got, I think, 4+ votes with a lesser
yeah,
voter turnout.
4.5.
With a higher, with a higher voter turnout, last time round, Rahul Gandhi got 3+ votes. Black, right? So she should have gone on her own, but she herself is allowing to be overshadowed by her brother. So why will people take her seriously? You tell me.
बट पल्लवी, हो सकता है कि लाइक जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जाएगा आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस हो सकता है बाद में कि ईगो हैसल्स आ जाएंगी, because
हो
she's
सकता
also a
है.
strong person. She's not a like she will have issues regarding this कि मैं भी तो जीत के आई हूँ, मैं भी तो एमपी हूँ और मेरे को कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है मेरी. They are going to have a problem
Yeah.
regarding this.
And many people say as long as Sonia Gandhi is alive, the brother sister are like one together. Let's see what happens. That bond of a mother or a father. अक्सर वो रहता नहीं है siblings में. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, frankly speaking, I can't predict this. As of now, I think she's pretty happy to be in the back seat.
बैक सीट. अच्छा पल्लवी, ये ममता बनर्जी का जो स्टेटमेंट आया है कि इंडिया अलायंस जो है उसको शी वांट्स टू हेड इट. शी डजंट वांट राहुल गांधी टू बी द फेस ऑफ इंडिया अलायंस. एंड उनको यूबीटी ने भी सपोर्ट किया है, उनको एसपी ने भी सपोर्ट किया है. राम गोपाल यादव ने तो एक स्टेटमेंट भी पास कर दिया इसको लेके कि राहुल तो हमेशा हारते ही जा रहे हैं, कौन सा स्टेट जीत रहे हैं, वो हर बारी तो कांग्रेस हार रही है, तो वो कैसे एक फेस ऑफ इंडिया अलायंस या what indirectly it is like PM candidate के लिए कैसे हो सकते हैं? तो आपको
when
क्या
the
लगता है
India,
will Congress accept it?
no. So when the India bloc was formed, there was this entire tussle for who's going to become the convener. And Mamata Banerjee was definitely one of the architects. And in fact, even before the India bloc was formed, remember she was trying to have this whole kind of a front row take on the BJP. And then she just feels, TMC feels that, unlike others, we have at least proved ourselves. I mean, remember today that Trinamool Congress has defeated BJP in in all the 6 bypolls,
Bypolls,
and
yeah.
then they've come out with a larger margin of victory in the last state assembly elections. DMK has done very well for itself in Tamil Nadu. In fact, they could have done
Even
fine
Lok
without the
Sabha,
Congress, even fine without the Congress also. Samajwadi Party has done pretty much well on its own.
yeah.
Yeah. So they don't need the Congress party. But what miffs them is that the Congress is not performing. They are not able to defeat the BJP, where there's largely a one-on-one fight like it was in Haryana or in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra mein utna nahi tha. But they say that they lose because of their own mistakes. And they don't agree with them on this whole EVM and crony capitalism issue and all that. So they say the India bloc was formed to take on the BJP and defeat the BJP. That's not going to happen if the Congress party is going to be in charge. It is one of us who has to take the reins. But Congress will never allow that. I remember the same day when someone from the TMC said Mamta should be made the convener, and I remember we asked for a response from one of the Congress MPs, Manikam Tagore. He said, "Is this a joke? What a joke." They will never allow. See, their compulsion is also they have to push RG, na? Which is not
But
acceptable to the other India bloc. I don't see that bloc going anywhere now. I think it's just one fine
regional
day they'll pick
parties are
up.
showing their muscles. Huh? They are showing their muscle
नहीं
power
छोड़ दे.
now.
नेक्स्ट लोकसभा इलेक्शन तक तो कोई ये में से होगा भी नहीं साथ साथ. उसके पहले ही टूटना शुरू हो जाएगा. अब देखो नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन आ रहे हैं दिल्ली, नो अलायंस, देन दिल बी बिहार. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं जैसे हरियाणा में कांग्रेस ने एटलीस्ट केजरीवाल से एक मीटिंग तो करी थी कि चलो लेट्स फॉर्म एन अलायंस, आप भी हमारे से. तो उधर वो उसका कुछ मटेरियलाइज नहीं हुआ. पर दिल्ली इलेक्शंस आ रहे हैं तो केजरीवाल ने तो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उसमें डायरेक्टली बोल दिया कि हम अपना अलग लड़ेंगे. सो क्या कांग्रेस अपनी रेलेवेंस खत्म कर चुकी है कि क्या है?
In Delhi, yes, absolutely. I mean, I began by giving it an example. I mean, this was a party, remember, 15 years, and one of Delhi's best chief ministers are from your
Chief
party.
ministers, no doubt. Huh?
And you have ground support. People of Delhi do know of Sheila Dikshit and of the Congress party. But if you yourself are disinterested, तो क्यों कोई करेगा?
अच्छा. एंड पल्लवी, जब ये यूपी में इतनी सारी सीट्स आई थी अखिलेश की, कांग्रेस की तो जो भी सीट्स आई हैं दैट वाज विद द हेल्प ऑफ अखिलेश ओनली, उसी के कारण उसको हुआ. तो इन्होंने ना जब अयोध्या से बीजेपी हारी, वहां की सीट नहीं जीती, तो इन्होंने वो अवधेश कुमार, क्या था वो ना, अवधेश कुमार को बहुत ज्यादा, हाँ अवधेश कुमार और समथिंग, हाँ. तो उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा बोला कि देखो हमने बीजेपी को अयोध्या में हरा दिया, राम मंदिर का भी इनको वोट नहीं मिला, और ये सब इन्होंने बहुत शो ऑफ किया. पार्लियामेंट में उसको अंदर हाथ पकड़ के लेके आया, उसको सबसे आगे बिठाया, और ये अयोध्या का राजा है एंड ऑल दैट, ये बोला. सडनली दे हैव स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. क्या दे हैव रियलाइज दैट इससे हिंदू सेंटिमेंट्स हर्ट हो रहे हैं और बार बार दे रबिंग इट इन, तो इससे
समाजवादी. No, I think more than the Hindu sentiment, they don't want to give the credit to the Samajwadi Party, and also I think the SP is also very upset because Avdesh Prasad ka seat ab back row mein ho gaya. Pehle he was sitting in the same row, like RG used to sit here, then the bagal mein Akhilesh and Avdesh. Avdesh ko second row mein rakh diya, and that's what the Samajwadi Party is saying, that you did not even make a noise about it. You should have. I think the Congress now doesn't want to give credit. UP का leaders भी तो है ना कांग्रेस का, बोलते ज़्यादा समाजवादी पार्टी करोगे तो हमारे लिए कोई चांस ही नहीं रहेगा,
जगह ही नहीं बचेगा. हाँ. अच्छा, अब ये अदानी इशू, अदानी अदानी अदानी, वी आर ऑल्सो फेड अप. हमको इतना लॉस होता है ना, हमने शेयर्स में इन्वेस्ट करा होता है. यहाँ मैं कितने सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं, बात करते हैं कि मैम हम तो मतलब अदानी के किसी न किसी प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हैं, क्या ये प्रोजेक्ट्स खत्म हो जाएंगे, ये खत्म हो, यू नो दैट फियर तो फैल रहा है लोगों में. पर आपने एक चीज नोटिस करिए कि इनके अदानी के इशू में regional parties are not participating, whether it is like, you know,
that is
so
also
they're not
one
getting
of the reasons. So that's also one of the reasons that they are a little upset with the Congress, because they feel that you should have raised price rise, unemployment, Manipur, Sambhal. ये सब issue ज़्यादा उठाना चाहिए था. Every time the Congress is doing a protest, they are doing it on crony capitalism. They're not doing it on these issues. So yes, this is a fear. You know, for example, Bengal is obviously going big on investment. They want more and more private investment to come in. They are not going to believe in all this crony capitalism. They do want investments to come in. So they're not comfortable, which is why you're seeing the TMC and the Samajwadi Party is absent in their protests, which are taking place of the Congress Party led by Rahul. Last two occasions, Thursday and Friday, because they were not there.
And why is Rahul doing this? Is it like it's an
I have
ideological
no
issue,
idea.
or it's a
I have no
political, or what
idea.
is it? Or is it a monetary issue? क्या है? Finance नहीं मिल रहा. क्या
See,
हो रहा है?
I
What
won't
is?
know this. I wouldn't know this. Only thing I can say, two quick things, is that he has, I think it comes across as his personal agenda, and maybe has a personal dislike. But more importantly, not everyone in the Congress party is very happy with this issue being taken up, because they feel कि आपने हरियाणा में
They're
उठाया,
even wearing
महाराष्ट्र में उठाया.
t-shirts.
Yeah, so that's his agenda. Na? So party will do what he wants them to do. But they feel, many in the party feel that Haryana mein, Maharashtra mein, this issue did not work. So we should dump this issue and look for other issues. But अब राहुल गांधी बोल रहा है तो करना पड़ेगा ना सबको.
Acha, Pallavi, another very important question. Like Nehru changed constitution 17 times, Indira 28 times, Rajiv Gandhi 10 times, Sonia Gandhi 7 times. और ये दोनों भाई बहन किताब ले लेके घूमी जा रहे हैं लाल रंग की कि संविधान खतरे में है. और ये सब मोदी ने तो एक बारी भी कुछ चेंज नहीं किया वहां पे. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को, मतलब उसको, किताब को, संविधान को छेड़ा भी नहीं है. तो इनको ये, you think people are believing them?
Well, it worked in Lok Sabha, na? In Lok Sabha, this narrative worked for the India bloc. So the Congress thinks it will work for them in state. But in Maharashtra, I saw that this did not get much of a traction. See, the problem was not the Prime Minister saying it. There were a couple of BJP leaders who were saying, कि हम जब आएंगे, हम ये बदल देंगे, वो बदल देंगे. See, in politics, you catch on to a narrative. And the narrative, if it clicks, it clicks. सच है, क्या है, ये बहुत कम लोग देखते हैं. So the Congress's narrative clicked. In Lok Sabha, it worked. And this is what even BJP acknowledged. Which is why during the Maharashtra elections, Kiran Rijiju goes to... See, what did the Congress do? That Congress said कि संविधान खतरे में है and these people have no respect for Ambedkar. So Rijiju went to all the areas like Nasik and all of them, had a large Buddhist population, 12%. And he was the one who was sent there, and he was telling them, like, look, this is the same figures he gave out, those figures, and how the Congress doesn't respect Ambedkar. We respect Ambedkar. So this time around in Maharashtra, this issue did not work at all. So that they had to
It
shelve
didn't
it.
work in Haryana too. It didn't work in
It
Haryana
didn't work
too.
in Haryana. Yeah, it didn't work in Haryana too. At the end of the day, you have to... मैंने महाराष्ट्र में देखा, देखो ये लोग कुछ भी बोल दे, EVM, CBM and all that. The fact is that I was going to area after area and I would not find a Congress कार्यकर्ता on the ground. Whereas this time I saw BJP, RSS, रात भर काम कर रहे हैं, 24/7 they're out. ये तो, that's how you contest elections, right?
आपको क्या लगता है कांग्रेस का फ्यूचर क्या होने वाला है? पॉजिटिव लग रहा
You
है
know,
कि जैसे ना कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कभी खत्म नहीं होती, कब आ जाए वापस पता नहीं
yeah.
होता. पर you
And
think
it's my beat,
Congress
na
has...
Payal. I only hope it doesn't get finished. ये मेरा beat है Congress. But well, all I can say in the end is that the Congress in its present situation cannot survive. It has to change. Whether it will change or not, whether the change will happen and in what form it will happen, will there be a coup? Because मैं coup की बात हर बार सुनती हूँ, होता तो कुछ नहीं है. उसके लिए भी तो दम चाहिए. But I don't know. I mean, but all I can say is that Congress in its present format cannot survive. It has to change. It will have to change. Either it will break, splits, kuch bhi, but it cannot be business as usual for long. Otherwise, they'll move from one election to another. They'll keep on losing election. They find excuses, and it doesn't work like that. People are already looking for alternatives.
इनको 70 कैंडिडेट्स मिल जाएंगे दिल्ली इलेक्शन के लिए, लड़ने के लिए.
रो दो के तो सबको मिल ही जाता है, बट मुझे लगता है 10 से भी ज्यादा गुड कैंडिडेट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. Anyone who has been strong in Delhi doesn't want to contest.
It's very humiliating also कि मतलब फिर राहुल, द थिंग इज, आई थिंक मैं जो सोचती हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ राहुल गांधी ऑल्सो पीपल डोंट ट्रस्ट कांग्रेस. ही इज अ मेजर फैक्टर
No, I don't
which
know.
they are not नहीं, क्योंकि देखो ना, जब भी कांग्रेस की बात होती तो लोग कहते हैं वोट फॉर राहुल गांधी और केजरीवाल, पीपल प्रेफर केजरीवाल। अगर बात करो ग्राउंड पे, वोट फॉर राहुल
Yeah.
और मोदी,
In
दे विल
Delhi,
वोट
yeah.
फॉर मोदी। तो वो कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं आ रहा वो। चलो,
Well,
थैंक्स
I
सो
mean,
मच
Lok
पल्लवी।
Sabha mein it worked. So yeah, okay. It worked in Lok Sabha. My last word. It worked in Lok Sabha, but yeah, but
अरे, it
you
worked in
cannot
Lok बिकॉज ऑफ
the allies.
अखिलेश।
Yeah,
हाँ, बिकॉज
yeah.
एंड महाराष्ट्र में भी बिकॉज ऑफ शरद पवार एंड
Hmm.
उद्धव ठाकरे, वोट उससे फर्क पड़ा। अपने बेसिस पे तो ये कहीं भी कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे। अगर ये अलायंस नहीं होती तो आई डोंट थिंक सो इतनी इतनी वोट्स मिलती इनको।
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
थैंक्स सो मच पल्लवी, सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बिंग यू ऑन Sunday, and
No,
you
no,
do
no. Any
ask,
day.
and please ask people to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's actually pretty good, and she's a great cook, by the way, guys. So I think she'll follow it up if you're going to like it. Everyone who likes it will get a free meal from you, Payal.
Oh, so that's the
You're the boss.
criteria. That's the criteria, not my interviews, not my questions, not my.
Your interviews are as spicy as your food. So let's put it that way.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.